Good morning, children. Welcome back to the third module. Right? So, yesterday we completed module 2. In that, what we discussed? We discussed about the 84 rules. Right? So, actually, in that one story I said, okay, Vishnu Bhatt Godse was written a book. Right? In that, actually, they are Brahmins, belongs to Maharashtra, and actually he and his uncle was conducted an yajna in Madurai, and while returning to their village they met some Sipais. So that Sipais said their views. Okay, so here actually this is the topic completely belongs to the views of the Sipais at that moment about Britishers. Okay, so in that way here he said about the Englishers. And one more thing, Sitaram Pandey. Okay, Sitaram Pandey was served as an Sipai to the Britishers nearly 48 years. Okay, he retired, and after that his son also become rebellion, and his son here, the most saddest thing is his son was killed by the Britishers in front of Sitaram Pandey only. Okay, so here Sitaram Pandey wrote one book, that is From Sipai to Subedar. Okay, in that book he has written about the this incident, and he wrote about the feelings of the Sipais. Right? So actually based on all these things about peasants and artisans and Sipais, what they faced, what kind of problems they faced, what kind of situations they faced, right? So based on the all these things, Indians become rebellions to the Britishers, right? So here in that way, one more thing I have said, I discussed you already about Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi, and Nana Saheb's story, right? And about Bahadur Shah. These are the examples to show the Britishers behavior towards the Indians, right? So these are all the things caused the rebellion, okay, revolt of 1857. Okay, so children, this is the previous module. So today the same lesson, when people rebel, 1857 and after. Okay, so in this lesson we are entering into the module 3, right? So in that lesson mutiny becomes a popular rebellion. Already I said what is rebellion, right? The voice rise against the opponents. Okay, so that is called as rebellion, and here mutiny becomes a popular rebellion, and from Meerut to Delhi. Here mutiny means what? Do you know what is the meaning of mutiny? Mutiny means a group of soldiers disobey their officers in the army. Okay, that is called as mutiny. So here the topic name is the mutiny becomes a popular rebellion. After all the things happened, what we discussed in the previous module, based on that, whatever happened in that time, whatever the problems faced by the Sipais, whatever the situations faced by the agricultural farmers, right? Whatever the problems faced by the Indians towards Englishers, based on that, here the rebellion was become popular in India. Okay, so about that we are going to discuss now. A mutiny becomes a popular rebellion. Actually here mutiny becomes a popular rebellion means, already I said, mutiny means a group of soldiers disobeying their officers, right? So in the army, so that is called as mutiny. So in that way here mutiny becomes a popular rebellion. At the same time in India, all over India, different places of India, the soldiers become rebel to the Englishers, East India Company. Actually around 100 years of ruling, the rebellion was started in India, right? So the rebellion was started in the year of 1857. Already you know 1857 of revolt, right? So here, after ruling of 100 years, after seeing their administration, after seeing their policies, after seeing their principles, right? After facing so many struggles, after facing so many problems, Indians become rebel to the Englishers, right? So here, these kind of situations were started at the same time in India in the different places. Okay, so for that reason, here what happened to maintain such kind of situations, to organize, to communicate, right, to initiate and to show the confidence on them, right? All these things will become a little bit difficult, but even though Indians managed. Okay, so because of their struggle, because of their problems, because of their situations. Okay, so this situation was spreaded all over the India at a time. Actually, it was started in the North India first. Okay, in the North India, Sipais started this rebellion, and after that, from the starting point is Meerut. Okay, yes, Meerut. Yesterday I have given you a task about the Meerut, right? So this topic is about that only. No need to give answers for that question separately, right? So here the starting point. So children, actually this struggle, this revolt was started, this rebellion was started all over India at a same time in the different places. Okay, so it was started in the first North India, that also in the Meerut. Okay, the starting point was rebellion of Meerut. From there to it spreaded to the Delhi and all parts of the North India, right? So here mutiny becomes a popular rebellion. I said popular rebellion. Why we are saying? Because different places, large number of people. Okay, large number of people involved in this rebellion, and they started, right? So for this reason, we are considering it becomes a popular rebellion, right? So children, just now I said mutiny becomes a popular rebellion, and it was started in the North India first, and in North India also the starting point is Meerut, right? So here from Meerut to Delhi, the subtopic is Meerut to Delhi. Here Meerut actually on 29th May 1857, 29th March of 1857, one young soldier, his name is Mangal Pandey, and he was hanged to death because of disobeying his officers. Okay, means he was the Sipai, he was working for the English people, and because of disobeying of his officers, he was hanged to death in the year of 1857 on 29th March, right? So after this, what happened here? British India people actually to the Sipais, they gave new cartridges to use. Okay, and believed that cartridges are coated with fat of the cows and pigs, right? So many Sipais refused to use that cartridges. Okay, so based on that reason, 85 members were dismissed from their service, and they was imprisoned 10 years of jail. Okay, means a simple cause. Here you can understand based on the simple cause, Britishers imprisoned the Sipais 10 years of time period, 10 years of duration, and they all dismissed at the same time from their service. Okay, so here on the other side of the situation, okay, in the Meerut, the Sipais reaction was very extraordinary. Okay, and they started to Meerut, and overnight they reached the jail. They released the Sipais, and at the same time they attacked on Britishers. They killed so many British officers, and they damaged British properties and buildings, whatever belongs to them, that all the things they spoiled. Okay, so here after this what happened? This is happened on 10th May. Okay, Britishers are jailed the 85 members on 9th May 1857, and 10th May 1857 the Sepoys reached there overnight, and they released the prisoners, and they attacked on British officers. They killed the British officers, and they spoiled all the British buildings and their properties. Okay, so after this what happened? Actually, they don't want to stop till there. Okay, they want to reach Delhi also. From Meerut to, they reached Delhi. Overnight they traveled on the road, and they reached to Delhi. And here actually what happened, whenever they started from Meerut to Delhi, the news was spread to the Britishers. Okay, so even though they didn't stop their journey and they reached Delhi, there also they attacked on Britishers, and they killed British officers, and they spoiled Britishers' buildings and offices and their properties, whatever belongs to them, that all the things they spoiled, right? And after that what happened? Actually here they decided strongly. Okay, they decided to stop the English rule in India. And one more thing, they decided already, the next question answer also they have at the time, that is, who is the next leader for us, right? This question will arise in your mind, I know. Okay, so who is the next leader for them? So they decided Bahadur Shah Zafar. Bahadur Shah Zafar was the Mughal emperor, the last Mughal emperor, and they decided he is the ruler for them next. Okay, so they took that decision, and they reached the Delhi near fort area where the Bahadur Shah was residing. Okay, so actually here Bahadur Shah was a little bit afraid of this thing, but even though they convinced him and as their ruler. Here one more thing is there. What Bahadur Shah did? Here he wrote the letters to all the chiefs who are ruling in India, all kings, nawabs whoever are there. For them they gave information to them. We are going to do this. All Sipais came here. Okay, nearly 3,000 Sipais reached to the Delhi, right? So after happening all this, Bahadur Shah Zafar also convinced, and he gave information to all the Rajas and Nawabs, whatever they are going to do. But for that he gave news, and he also got some braveness after seeing all these many Sepoys, right? So here after that thing, at a time 3,000 of Sepoys rebelled, and they attacked on Britishers. Okay, they killed so many officers. Here the same thing, they killed whenever they got chance. They want to kill the Britishers, and at the same time they want to occupy their British properties, whatever the properties are there that belongs to the East India Company. They want to spoil that properties. They want to fire that buildings, right? They want to spoil all the things, whatever the things belong to the Britishers, right? So all these happens in the year of 1857. Okay, so here what happened after that? Just let me show you, children. I will show you some slides. Okay, children, let me show you some slides here. The first slide is Mangal Pandey, the young soldier. I said no. On 29th March 1857, a young soldier Mangal Pandey was hanged to death for attacking his officers in Barakpur. Actually, so here this stamp, this is the stamp actually on his name, postal stamp issued in commemoration of Mangal Pandey, right? He is the young soldier, and he was the first rebellion of Britishers. Okay, and he belongs to the Indian Sepoy. Okay, and the next Next, Mangal Pandey's photo. This is see clearly. Actually, here I want to tell you one thing. Mangal Pandey's one movie is there in Hindi. I think Amir Khan was acted in that movie. If chance is there, watch that movie, all of you. You can get all the information what he did, how he participated in the rebellion, right? And what kind of problems he faced while doing all these things. You can know in that picture clearly. Okay, children? And next here, the battle in the cavalry lines. You can see so many soldiers over there, right? This is on the evening of 3rd July 1857. Over 3,000 rebels came from Bareilly, crossed the river Jamuna and entered in Delhi and attacked the British cavalry posts. The battle continued although the night. Okay, so while seeing this picture only, you can identify how they are fighting with the Britishers. Okay, children? And next, here he is Bahadur Shah Zafar. Okay, actually I said no, the Sipais decided the next ruler is Bahadur Shah Zafar, and they convinced him. After that, Bahadur Shah also convinced, and he gave the information to all the chieftains who are there all over India, right? Actually, here I want to tell you something about him. The Mughal dynasty had ruled over a very large part of the country. Most smaller rulers and chieftains controlled different territories on behalf of the Mughal ruler. Okay, so threatened by the expansion of British rule, many of them felt that if the Mughal emperor could rule again, they too would be able to rule their own territories once more under the Mughal authority. For that reason, they all are accepted the captaincy of the Bahadur Shah, right? So on that way, here the British had not expected this to happen. They thought the disturbance caused by the issue of the cartridges would die down, but Bahadur Shah Zafar's decision to bless the rebellion changed the entire situation dramatically. Often, when people see an alternative possibility, they feel inspired and enthused. It gives them the courage, hope and confidence to act. Okay, children? Okay, children? Here we discussed about the Midley becomes a popular rebellion and from Meerut to Delhi, right? These are the two subtopics we covered today. So once again, I will give you a brief glance on this. Here, the first one is Midley becomes a popular rebellion. In that, what I said, the rebellion was throughout India in different places at the same time started. Okay, for that, Britishers felt bad, and even though the rebellion started already, we discussed in the previous module also why rebellion was started. Okay, based on the all the situations, how they faced, what kind of problems they faced, right? And what kind of situations faced by the farmers, what kind of problems faced by the Sipais, right? And different Rajas and Nawab also faced different problems. Okay, for example, also I said about Rani Lakshmi Bai and Nana Sahib, and one more is Bahadur Shah Zafar, right? Lakshmi Bai's story is actually she doesn't have any heirs after the death of her husband, so she wants to recognize her adopted son's heredity, right? And next, coming to Nana Sahib also adopted son of Bajirao Peshwa too. Okay, and one more person is Bahadur Shah Zafar. And in that example also, what happened actually after the death of Bahadur Shah Zafar, the Britishers not allowed their family members to live in his palace. Okay, they sent them out from the palace, because if in that palace only they are continuing in that palace, means that the ruling also will continue, that heredity also will continue, like that they felt, and for that reason they sent them back, they sent them to outside of the palace. right? So these are the things happened. So after facing all these situations, after facing all these kind of problems, and about Sipais also, whenever they need to use that cartridge, that time they are believed to coated with the fat of cows and pigs, so they refused to use that cartridges, right? And that is the problem. And one more problem of Sipais is, whenever they crossed any sea route, they would have lost their religion and caste. For that reason also, so many Sipais refused to work with the Britishers, right? So all these are the problems faced by the Indian Sipais and Indians, kings, Nawabs, Rajas, farmers, right? And Sipais also. Okay, so based on all these problems, they started rebellion. Okay, and that rebellion was started in the North India first, and in that North India also the first place is Meerut, and the Meerut to Delhi, how they spread. Here one more thing I said about Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey is the young soldier of India, and actually he attacked on his officers. For that reason he was hanged to death, right, on 29th March of 1857. And one more side, in the Meerut, what happened? Sipais refused to use that new cartridges. That already I said. Why they refused to use the cartridges? Because that cartridges are coated with the fat of pigs and cows. For that reason, Indian Sipais refused to use that cartridges. For that, more than 85 members of Sipais were dismissed from their service, and at the same time they imprisoned for 10 years of time. This was happened on 9th May of 1857. So on the other side of rebellion, okay, so 10th May, so many rebellions reached to Meerut, and they released the Indian Sipais, and at the same time they attacked on Britishers, right? So for that they killed so many British officers, and they spoiled in Britishers buildings and their properties, whatever the belongs to things are there about Britishers, that all the things they spoiled. Okay, so this was happened on the 10th May, and after that they started to Delhi. Okay, from Meerut to Delhi, overnight they travelled on the road and they reached to Delhi. Okay, there they met Bahadur Shah Zafar. Okay, so they strongly decided to stop the ruling of the Britishers in India. For that reason they did all these things, and they reached Bahadur Shah in Delhi, in the Red Fort, and they convinced him. So Bahadur Shah also accepted this thing, and he gave the information to all over India who are there, Rajas, Nawabs, chieftains. For all of them he gave the information. They also accepted, because under the Bahadur Shah's rule, Mughal emperor's rule, they can rule their areas by their own. Okay, for that reason they also accepted. So this is about the topic today's. Okay children, I hope you understand the topic very well. We'll meet in the next session. But before going to meet in the next session, I want to give you a task, right? So today's task is collect the information about the after July 3rd, what happened in the rebellion. Okay.